So today we're going to teach how to do two different things in your authentic pizza oven. We have some amazing beef tenderloin because it truly doesn't get any better than this, and I thought we'd just do some small cuts today. So we have our fry pan. We're going to put them into our fry pan, and they're going to go directly into our oven right in the back corner so we get lots of heat going. We're going to roast them. You're going to get some of that smoky flavor. It just works really nicely in here. So in they go, right to the back. We got some nice coals going on. We still have some wood burning that we're going to get some of the smoky flavor. And then what we have here is I have two beautiful little bread balls that we're going to put in. Just going to put them over to the side. The steak will take about 13 to 15 minutes to do medium rare, and the bread almost the same amount of time. So we have some beautiful bread here. And then look at this. I mean, some beautiful steaks done, medium rare. The smell of the beef and the smoke and everything, absolutely fantastic. Just put these on a plate. Look at that. If you want to, you can turn them over halfway through the cooking process. Just gonna give it like that. You want your steaks to rest for 3 to 5 minutes, cut into beautiful medium rare. How much better does this get? Using your authentic pizza oven, oh, great flavors all the time. Not only is it great for pizza, it's great for steak, it's great for making bread. Hey, try it. If you make a mistake, who cares? You're gonna learn so much from this. You're gonna have so much fun with your oven, and your guests and friends are gonna reap the benefits. Till next time, I'm Chef D. Check out authenticpizzaovens.com.